there it is. Nope, that's not it. That's a bow. I saw it yesterday. And a cat under the deck. What a good boy you are. Yes. Nope. Good boy. Yep, you're making left-hand turns and you're making right-hand turns. Gale, whoa. 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 That's a good boy. Walk on. What a good boy. Walk. First you learn to make figure eights around the trees. Hear the blackbirds singing. Can you make that short a circle? Good boy. I've been watering these trees hoping that they'll come back. I don't know that that will happen, but if you have an extra prayer, say it for our poor trees. We go into a drought, tend to lose our pine trees rather quickly. We have 3 that are completely gone. All right, young man, you proved to me you could do what I asked. That's a good boy. No, we're not going over in the field. You're not that broke yet. Straight line. What a good boy. No, you don't get to follow the dogs. You have to go where I want you to. Yeah, that's always a problem. My young dogs want to follow, or young horses always want to follow the dogs. Amy's being good and staying back. And it's funny because when we get to a spot where they're a little bit scared, then Amy will lead them through it. She's such a good girl. You want to try trotting? Can you trot? Still in a straight line. It's okay, you can trot. Good boy, look at you. No, you have to come back over here. Hey, there's Sister Bellstar, huh? All right, now let's walk. You still have to go where I want to, not where Nikki is. Good boy. Hello, Bellstar. Say, look at me, sister. I'm driving. Oh, that's... Yeah, that's Bellstar. No, that's Spirit. That's old Mama. You want to trot? Working trot. Good boy. This may be our last day to work for a few days because they're talking wicked wind. Nope, you still have to pay attention to me. Yeah, I'm being a little heavier on your mouth, aren't I? Mm-hmm. What a good boy. Nope, it's just the dogs. It's okay. It's just the dogs. Even without blinders, when the dogs come roaring up behind them, they aren't real pleased with it. Come on. What a good boy. No, we're not going to get going fast. No, no, no. No. I know you like to go fast. Your family likes to go fast. Whoa. 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 What happened? Good boy. Walk on. You have to ignore the dogs. I know that's hard to do your first drive out on the road. Let's trot. Good boy. No, we're not going with Nikki. We're not going with Nikki. We're going where I want to go. That's a good boy. I looked down to check where my whip was with my foot. It is so hard to hold it when the wind is blowing hard. And it's not really hard right now, but it's certainly hard to hold for holding a whip. That's a... Hi, everybody. What a good boy. That's right. Yeah, this is a rocky spot. We'll see how your feet do on here. I think your brother has the toughest feet in the world. He doesn't care. Good boy. Look at you relaxing. Come back. Yeah, that's a weird looking thing, isn't it? It's just a piece of wood. What a good boy. Yeah. No, I can lighten up on you when you hold your speed. But when you start increasing in speed, then I have to take back up on you again. That's a good boy. He did run a while ago, but it was not a determined runaway. If it had been a determined runaway, I still would be running. No traffic. I think we're going to go on around. All the other 2-year-olds are saying, you don't need to work him, you need to work me. Even the yearlings want to be worked. That's a good boy. Yep, let's avoid the heavy mud, please.